Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be installing a mod to the car. I know some people are going to dislike it, but if you travel or if you drive a lot like me, you definitely need this. On my other SRT, I took it to California and a big rock hit my hood, and it's aluminum, so it got bent really bad. So we're gonna install the bug shield. I'll show you guys before and after, and it actually looks pretty cool once it's done. I think it gives it a more aggressive look. So I'm gonna walk you guys through the steps of what I have to do. I already installed this one, so we're actually gonna use these self-drilling screws. I'll give you guys the dimension of them, but the bag comes with some smaller screws, so it looks bigger, but it won't even drill through the hood or anything like that, so they're safe to use. So assuming that that's where it's gonna sit, it doesn't even touch the top layer of the hood. So don't be scared of thinking that you might drill through the top of the. The instructions are pretty simple. We just have to align it, and it comes with this groove here to align with the hood latch. So it makes installation even easier. So the notch goes right here, and we just have to put our little grommets that come with the kit, because when you're driving 80, 100 miles an hour, this flexes, and if you don't have those grommets, it will actually touch the hood. So it's just extra protection. We'll put those on there. And that's it. It's pretty simple. so you know how long these are. They're about, it's about a little bit bigger than 7/8 of an inch. That's including the head. But you also have to remember that the bug shield also has spacing, so you're safe in case you drill these self-tapping or self-drilling screws in there. So you're good to go. Alright folks, this is the finished product, how it looks. When I did it on my other SRT, at first I didn't know how to feel about it. Kind of wanted to take it off, but the more I looked at it and the more I drove it, the more I liked it. I'll show you guys the updated clip with the wash, once it's washed in the shade, so you guys can see. I think it looks more aggressive. It hides the ugly Jeep emblem. Can't see it no more.